Did you watch my review of Monkey in a Cage / Bandar from TIFF? I'm going to link it in the description right here. I mean, I might be the only one on YouTube with a review of that movie at this point. Usko dekhkar agar aapko laga hai that Anurag Kashyap of the mid-2020s, yani ki right now, is a man filled with contradicting thoughts, searching for a balance between right and wrong, so wait till you get a hold of this next one. This film straight up has twins. One guy, two versions. There is enough and more to engulf you in this nearly 3-hour long film, which thanks again to Aarti Bajaj's stellar editing, stays coherent without feeling overwhelming. In fact, her work, combined with Sylvester Fonseca's cinematography and a very competent costume and wardrobe department, it allows newcomer Aishwarya Thakre to perform both Bablu and Dablu so well, you will forget that it's the same actor. The film doesn't have to rely on the gimmick of the duplicate. I believe you only hear the word Judva said out loud once. Bablu, aka Tony, gets embedded into a group of men so desperate to forget about the deficiencies of their social status, they sort of assume parallel identities, this separate group. So he becomes Tony. He has a friend who's called Hawa Hawaii. They're all dressed in fancy, ill-fitted clothes. They get tattoos, colored hair. This group is led by Ambika Prasad, played by Kumud Mishra in the present, and Girish Sharma in the flashback sequences. Like the people he leads, Ambika too is looking for success and salvation in a borrowed identity. Tony's first brush with romance is also equally telling. The first woman who ever even speaks to him as an adult, he becomes instantly obsessed with. The idea of love and romance for this man, so deprived of tenderness, is so desperate and pathetic that the smallest human connection is instantly interpreted by him as destiny. In the world of Nishanchi, power is exerted almost exclusively by delirious men, and anarchy stands just outside the door. The lack of systems gives rise to unaccountable strongmen, as police station, that is the law and order, is in literal darkness because light chali gayi hai. The burden of dying and staying alive are both inherited along with the family's land. And by the end of part 1, the dissertation firmly comes to the conclusion that try as hard as one might, it is impossible to control the tides of time and actions of others. No person arrives at any place in their lives on their own and cannot alone be held accountable for their position in their lives without acknowledging the turning and churning of the many universes swirling and settling all around them. Life is complex.